The CSC Sys 50 cordless table saw gives the user precise cuts, compact dimensions, and a state-of-the-art operating concept, all set into a mobile and versatile system that fits in a Systainer. Make parallel cuts of up to 280mm with the double locking front to rear rip fence, cross-cut widths of up to 450mm with the use of the sliding table, and angled cuts of -2 to 47 degrees. The unique digital operation produces results with maximum precision down to the accuracies within 1/10 of a millimetre. It can also hold common cutting heights and angles in memory and keep them preset for future cutting applications. The 18V dual battery system in combination with the brushless motor has impressive power and torque. And variable speed and a system of blades allows processing of different materials. For safety, when combined with a dust extractor, gives you a clean and dust-free work site. Together with the underframe and mobile trolley that gives you support when ripping and cross-cutting, you have the perfect work table immediately on hand and transport from the vehicle to point of use.